Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with a center O, and another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersects xy at A and x dash y dash at B. What is the measure of angle AOB? Here we have given that tangents xy and x dash y dash are parallel. This is xy and this is x dash y dash, and we have given a circle centered at O. PQ is diameter of that circle. Then AB is tangent to that circle which touches at C. OA and OB. Now join this OC. To find the measure of angle AOB, firstly we have to find angle AOC and angle BOC. Then measure of angle AOB will be AOC plus BOC. Now, by SSS congruence rule, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOP. So, as corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal, angle AOP equals to angle AOC. Suppose this is 1. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle means CPCT. Triangle. Similarly, by SSS test, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ. So, by CPCT, angle BOC equals to angle BOQ. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now, for line PQ here, for the line PQ, angle AOP, angle AOC, angle BOC and BOQ are linear angles. So, the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Angle AOP plus angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle BOQ is 180 degree. This is because linear pair. So from 1 and 2 we can take AOP equals to AOC. So AOC plus AOC plus angle BOC, BOQ equals to BOC equals to 180 degree. This is from 1 and 2. So 2 times angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree divided by 2 means 90 degree. That is angle AOP equals to 90 degree. Hence, measure of angle AOP is 90 degree.